Hello, I want to show the performance of DSI SLM scheme in M-file simulation. Here what I'm going to do is to generate two candidate signals. Okay, this is the program of DSI SLM, and this part is for initialization, and here data is generated and the dummy is generated and the modulation is performed. In this part, the dummy signal is added to the main signal, and in this line, as you can see, phase sequences are multiplied and candidate signals are generated, and the sampling is performed, IFFT is performed, and all those kinds of necessary parameters. Here in this part I have threshold comparison, and the loop performance is designed here, and the rest of it is for plotting the figures and calculating CCTF. Now I'm going to run it. Normally it takes few minutes, and the result will come up. What I expect to have is one of these curves here for DSI SLM when M is equal to 2, means that two candidate signals are generated. In this part, when I change this parameter to 4, 8 and 16, the result will be shown differently for those designs, because earlier I have designed to generate all these types for M is equal to 2, 4, 8 and 16, but for easier design and analysis I have first programmed to generate first two candidate signals. Still working. By reducing the number of symbols and this one, by changing this one and also number of iteration, I can have faster result, but it will not very clear. Still waiting for result. MATLAB is working. Here the number of dummy that I have added is 55. And the length of signal is 256. As I showed you, QPSK modulation is used for this project. Ultrasample is another program that I have written that is linked here, but here sample rate I put 1. For more practical result I should change this to 4. As you can see, I50 is a MATLAB function that I have used for this project, and here you can see the way of calculating PAPR, absolute of signal, maximum and mean, and 10 logarithm 10 peak power over mean power. Okay, the result is here. You can see different colors, the blue one and black color, and this pink color is for CSLM method with different number of different number of candidate signals. This one is for 4, this one is for 8, and this one is for 16. And the red color is for DSI SLM method. As you can see, the red color is falling 8.5. It's very close to m is equal to 8, and it is even better between m is equal to 8 and m is equal to 16, which was expected, as I have shown here. This one here, the solid line, is for DSI SLM when m is equal to 2. Yeah, it's shown here. To generate this figure, I have repeated the same simulation here for different number of candidate signals, and then I have generated that figure. Thank you.